Good day, everyone. Today, my groupmate Mervin, Ashley, Yongming Fong, and I, Yi Anson, are going to introduce you the material handling equipment in a warehouse. In this video, we are going to introduce you the sqUID robot and robotic sortation in the warehouse. So, I will introduce you the sqUID robot, and Mervin will introduce you the robotic sortation. Alright, so let's start with the sqUID robot first. So first of all, what is a sqUID robot? sqUID robot is an automated material handling equipment with the system to do picking and put away job. The sqUID robot is created by the BionicHIVE company. The sqUID consists of a synchronized autonomous robotic fleet that has three-dimensional movement capabilities, allowing a fully flexible operation. The sqUID robot is able to climb the shelf and racks and do picking with the rails. The climbing speed on the racks may up to 85 cm per second. The sqUID robot may move up to 1.8 meters per second on ground. The sqUID robot is capable to carry the stock depth up to 15 kg. Also, the sqUID robot is equipped with detecting system which provide obstacle avoidance. In addition, as the sqUID robot is small, the sqUID robot only needs 1 meter of width between the racks to operate. Then, a high-end embedded control system and smart real-time data analysis allows the BionicHIVE algorithmic engine to dynamically learn problems created in one warehouse and apply the resolution to all warehouses in the network. Hence, the sqUID system is applicable to all models of the warehouse. Right. In this video, it will show you how sqUID robot works in a warehouse. So we can see that the racks are installed with the rails. So the sqUID robot is going up with these rails. So the sqUID robot climbs the racks with these rails and go to do the picking job. So this is how the robot pick the stock. So after picking, it go down with the rails . So the robot is doing put away. Alright, so that's how sqUID robot works in a warehouse. So I wish to credit BionicHIVE on YouTube channel and their video. So all the material used are solely for education purpose and all rights go to them. So I hope that you may get some idea on what is sqUID robot after my briefing and watching the video. So now I will proceed to the part of the advantages and disadvantages of the sqUID robot. So for the first advantages, the mode of the operation does not change much. So the implementation of sqUID robot doesn't need new equipment. The sqUID robot adapts the current working model of operation in the warehouse. We just need to apply the rails on shelf for the sqUID. Then the sqUID may be implemented and installed. The warehouse is still using the same shelving racks, the same facilities, and the same boxes for storing. So in other words, using the sqUID robots, It is the automation adapt our operation, but not we adapt to the automation system. Hence, sqUID robot truly retrofit onto any existing warehouse. We don't do much changes on our operation, but we still can get the automation. The next benefit is the sqUID robots makes our operation to become more productive and it increase our capacity. sqUID robot has high-end embedded control system and smart real-time analysis system to plan where the boxes shall be stored. So the system may decide a good planning on the warehouse layout. Proper planning such as we make it easier access to bound and outbound stock. It may help to reduce traveling time in warehouse. Also, sqUID robot with center control system, there will be no error in picking and put away session. The errors in warehouse is very time consuming. Imagine that we are in a situation that we pick a stock wrongly. We need to send it back to the origin and then we go to another place to pick for the correct stock. Hence, minimizing errors in the warehouse is very essential. So, by reducing traveling time and eliminate the errors, the sqUID robot may help to enhance the productivity and efficiency. Also, sqUID robot help to utilize the storage space. A forklift needs 3 meters of width between the racks to operate, but the sqUID robots need only 1 meter. While making the lane smaller, it means that we have higher storing capacity as the racks is increased. So these are the benefits of implementing the sqUID robots. On the other hand, the sqUID robots also come with disadvantages. The first disadvantage is the sqUID robots has only less capability on loading. The sqUID robot can only carry up to 15 kg only. Then, the next disadvantage is the sqUID robot is very expensive. The initial cost is very high and the robots requires regular maintenance. So this is another expenses on the robots to maintain the operation and have a good quality of service. Also, the warehouse tend to need technology skilled labor to control the robot system. So it means that the warehouse have to hire a skilled labor with very high salary to control and monitor the robot. Hence, it will increase in expenses. So that's all for the disadvantages. So that's all from me. I will pass it to Mervin to proceed his part. Thank you.
Thank you, Nanshan, for the presentation. My name is Mervin and I'll present to you another revolutionary material handling equipment, which is the tSort robotic sortation. One of the main functions is that it is a parcel sortation system which is being embedded by independent robots that perform the tasks instead of humans. They are fully automated to sort parcels accordingly, where these items are sorted according to parcels classification, for example, weight class, size, and shape. tSort robotic sortation has various models. In the diagram above, which is the tSort for original model, which is ideal for the less than 33 pounds items and packages up to 26 by 18. tSort Plus handles heavy load up to 66 pounds and 39 by 19. tSort Mini also sorts items up to 10 by 7 and 5 pounds, ideally suited for jewelry, pharmaceutical products, as well as cosmetics. tSort Plus and tSort Mini will be displayed later. For the advantages of tSort robotic sortation, it is able to perform tasks simultaneously, and it only requires 25% or less space when compared to traditional sortation system. And finally, robots navigation via real-time to ensure movement along the most efficient pathway, where the robots are able to reach from point A to point B much more faster. For the disadvantages, it will require a huge sum of capital investment initially, and regular maintenance has to be done, and in turn it will cost more capital by the long run, and it requires time to have comprehensive understanding of the technology, especially among workers. So these are the types of model by Tompkins Robotics. So from the left diagram, we are able to see the tSort Plus, which handles a heavy load of parcels, and as well as the tSort Mini on the right diagram, which handles mini parcels such as jewelry. I would like to share a short video on Tompkins Solution on their robotics being operated in a warehouse. As you can see, the tSort models are sorting the items accordingly. And these are the tSort Plus, which handles much heavier goods. So these are the types of dimensions they are able to handle. They are all automatically powered by AI, and these are the original models of tSort units. And this is how the tSort robotics are sorting the parcels and items. And these are the stations where the tSort units are sorting out the items through weight classes and classifications. And as well as there is a manual induction, so that items are being manually placed on the robots to get from point A to point B much faster. And thus this concludes the video. Before I end, I wish to credit Tompkins Solution on their YouTube channel as well as their internet domain, and all material used are solely used for education purposes and all rights goes to them. Thank you.